Packing for a trip can feel overwhelming. Clothes, shoes, accessories, skincare. Where do you even begin? Whether it's a weekend getaway, a business trip, or a month-long vacation, packing smart means less stress and more style. First, understand the purpose of your trip. Is it a formal event, an outdoor adventure, or a relaxed vacation? Your packing list should reflect your itinerary, climate, and culture. Research the weather, dress code expectations, and even how locals dress. A beach town and a European city call for very different wardrobes. Write down activities for each day. This helps you mentally map your outfits ahead of time and avoid the "I've packed everything but nothing fits" syndrome. Don't pack individual pieces. Pack by full outfits. Lay out each day's look. Top, bottom, shoes, accessories. Then ask, can these items mix and match? If a piece only works for one occasion, it's not efficient. Prioritize items that can be styled multiple ways, like a versatile blazer or a neutral slip dress. Think in layers. This is especially important for cities with fluctuating temperatures. Here's a minimalist packing hack. The rule of 3s plus 1. Bring 3 tops, 3 bottoms, 3 accessories, 3 undergarments, and 1 hero piece, like a bold jacket, statement shoe, or signature scarf. Rotate items and layer creatively. This keeps your suitcase light and your style strong. Want to avoid wrinkles and save space? Roll your clothes. Rolling not only prevents creasing, it also makes it easier to see what's in your bag. Group similar items together. Casual wear, evening wear, workout clothes. Bonus, rolling makes it easier to fit more into your packing cubes. Packing cubes are a game changer. They keep everything compact, tidy, and easy to access. Sort by category or day. And don't forget a dirty laundry cube. It keeps used clothes from mingling with the fresh ones. Limit yourself to 2 to 3 pairs of shoes. 1 pair for walking, 1 pair for events or style, and optional sandals or slippers. Always wear your bulkiest pair while traveling. Pack socks and underwear inside your shoes to save space. Use shower caps or dust bags to cover the soles. Traveling by air? Your toiletries must meet Transportation Security Administration, or TSA, rules. Use travel-size containers and label everything. Try multi-purpose products. A tinted moisturizer with SPF, solid shampoo bars, or an all-in-one balm. Store liquids in a zip pouch, preferably one that's see-through and waterproof. Accessories instantly upgrade your outfit. Bring a few statement pieces. Bold earrings, a signature watch, a printed scarf. These don't take up much space, but they add polish. Bonus tip: bring accessories that match multiple outfits. This stretches your style without stretching your bag. Choose wrinkle-resistant fabrics. Knits, jersey, and performance blends travel better than linen or silk. Check how pieces look after being rolled or folded. Synthetic blends often hold up best under pressure. Literally, stuff happens. Buttons pop, zippers break, straps snap. Always carry a mini fashion emergency kit. Include a few safety pins, double-sided fashion tape, a small sewing kit, stain remover wipes, and a travel steamer or wrinkle release spray. With this kit, you're always stylish, even under pressure. Packing smart means traveling stress-free and looking good while doing it. It's not about overpacking or stuffing your suitcase. It's about being intentional, organized, and stylish on any trip. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more travel-savvy fashion tips. Drop your favorite travel styling hack in the comments. We'd love to feature it in our next video.